Hello all, Ankit this side. In this video, we are going to learn about how to install Tiger VNC. So first of all, to install Tiger VNC, we need to download. So just go to Google and search download Tiger VNC. So when you just search on Google Tiger VNC, the first website which we are getting, go to that particular website. And here we have downloads option. Under download, we have GitHub release page. Click on that. And then this is the latest version of Tiger VNC. To download the Tiger VNC latest version, here is the link again they have given. Go to that particular link. Once you go to the particular link, here we are getting the option to download latest version. So we start downloading the latest version. This will take some time. Done. Now just save your application somewhere in your system. Still taking more time. Now, here we have the application. Double click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. Accept the terms. If you want to read, you can read their terms also. Next, 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 and click on install. Click on finish. So we are able to install Tiger VNC. So let's just search here. Here I'm able to see Tiger VNC. Okay, just still searching in there. Okay, here it's showing us. In recently added, it starts showing us Tiger VNC. Here is it. So this is how you can download and install Tiger VNC. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.